light of two different frequencies whose photons have energies 1.3 electron volt and 2.8 electron volt respectively. Means when we use a light of frequency nu1, then the energy of emitted photoelectron, it is equal to 1.3 electron volt, and later on when we use a light of frequency nu2, then the energy of photon h nu2, which is equal to E2, is equal to 2.8 electron volt. Remember here, the work function will be same because we are illuminating the photoelectrons from the same surface of metal, and that work function it was given as 0.8 electron volt. Now the ratio of maximum speed of emitted electrons will be, means we have to find out what is the value of V1 by V2 equal to question mark. We know according to Einstein's photoelectric equation, Ke max is equal to h nu minus of omega 0. But what is Ke max? It is half mv square is equal to h nu, means it is energy of photon minus of omega 0. So for the first case, it is half mv1 square is equal to E1 minus omega 0, that is equal to 1.3 minus of 1.3 minus of 0.8, that is equal to 0.5 electron volt, 0.5 electron volt. And for the second case, half mv2 square is equal to E2 minus of omega 0, that is equal to 2.8 minus of 0.8, that is equal to what? 2 electron volt. 2 electron volt. Now let us take the ratio of this equation 1 and that of equation 2. So what we will get? When we take the ratio, then this half get cancelled with half, mass get cancelled with mass, and it is 0.5 upon 2 electron volt. So V1 square upon V2 square is equal to 0.5 upon 2, 0.54 means it is 1 by 4. Therefore what is V1 by V2? V1 by V2, V1 square upon V2 square is 1 by 4. V1 by V2 whole square is equal to 1 by 4. Naturally taking square root on both the sides, so we will get V1 by V2 is equal to 1 by 2. So out of 4 options, which option is correct? Option B is correct, that is 1 by 2.